Hi friends, my name is Bhagesh Vikas Bhagat. I am mechanical engineering student. I will tell about my project topic supply chain management of Tata. First one is introduction about Tata company. The Tata Motors Limited, formerly Tata Engineering and Locomotive Company (Telco), is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing company which headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. It is a part of Tata Group, an Indian conglomerate. Its products include passenger cars, trucks, vans, coaches, bus, sports car, construction equipment, and military vehicles. It was founded in 1945 as a manufacturer of locomotives. The company manufactured its first commercial vehicle in 1954 in a collaboration with Daimler-Benz AG, which ended in 1969. Tata Motors entered the passenger vehicle market in 1988 with the launch of the Tata Mobile, followed by the Tata Syria in 1991, becoming the first Indian manufacturer to achieve the capability of developing a competitive indigenous automobile. In 1998, Tata launched the first fully indigenous Indian passenger car, the Indica, and in 2008 launched the Tata Nano, the world's cheapest car. Tata Motors acquired the South Korean truck manufacturer Daewoo Commercial Vehicles Company in 2004 and purchased Jaguar Land Rover from Ford in 2008. Next one is aim of project to study about supply chain management, to explain various SCM used in Tata company, and to understood the advantage of SCM, to understood about various method of supply chain management used in the Tata company. Now tell about brief description of project. Tata Motors was founded in 1945 as a locomotive manufacturer. Tata Group entered the commercial vehicle sector in 1954 after forming a joint venture with Daimler-Benz of Germany. After years of dominating the commercial vehicle market in India, Tata Motors entered the passenger vehicle market in 1991 by launching the Tata Syria, a sport utility vehicle based on the Tata Mobile platform. Tata subsequently launched the Tata Estate 1992, a station wagon designed based on the earlier Tata Mobile. The Tata Sumo 1994, a five-door SUV, and the Tata Safari in 1998. Next one is the literature review about our project. The Tata Motors has been associated with country's defense forces since in 1958. Over a hundred thousand Over 100,000 vehicles have been supplied to Indian military and paramilitary forces so far. Tata Motors Defense Solution cover the complete range of logistic and tactical vehicles. Current range of products for defense and security forces includes Tata Armored Safari, Tata Light Armored Vehicle and Tata Light Armored Troop Carrier, Mine Protected Vehicle and Light Armored Multi-Role Vehicle. High mobility vehicles such as a Tata 1623 6x6, Tata 2038 6x6, and Tata 3138 8x8 are being well received by defense. We also manufacture shelters containers on 4x4, 6x6, and 8x8 platforms for missile, rocket launchers, and command post. Next one is introduction about supply chain management. What is the supply chain management? This supply chain management can be defined as the management of flow products and service which begins from origin of products and ends at the product's consumption. It also comprises movement and storage of raw material that are involved in work in progress, inventory, and fully furnished goods. The main objective of supply chain management is monitor and relate production, distribution, shipment of products and services. This can be done by the companies with a very good and tight hold over internal inventories, production, distribution, internal production and sales. Basic component of ACM is first planning, second is sourcing, third is making, and fourth is delivering and return. Next one is supply chain management advantage. What are the advantage of supply chain management? First one is develop better customer relationship and service. Next one is creates better delivery mechanisms for products and service in demand with minimum delay. Improves productivity and business function. Minimize warehouse and transportation cost. Minimize direct and indirect cost. And last one is assist in achieving shipping of right products to the right place at the right time. Next one is supply chain management goals. Minimization of supply chain expenses is a very essential, especially when there are economic uncertainties in companies regarding their wish to conserve capital. Cost efficient and cheap products are necessary, but supply chain managers need to concentrate on value creation for their customers. Exceeding the customer's expectation on regular basis is the best way to satisfy them. Next one is a chart of Tata supply chain. These are chart of Tata supply chain used in Tata company. Next one is effects of supply chain of the company. First, suppliers and dealers as a partners. Sharing profits with them has helped to manage supply chain efficiently. By leveling out production and synchronizing with demand and supply has to help to maintain stability in supply chain. Suppliers are categorized as a cluster based on geographic location and single trust picks up from the cluster increasing. Next one is actual procedure followed. First, collect information about our project. Next, ask to teacher about how to make a report. And next, collect resources of project from Google and from other media and study the research papers regarding the project. Made presentation of our project and also made video on supply chain management of Tata. Next one is output of the micro project. First one is learn about supply chain management of Tata. Next is to understood about overall process related to supply of vehicles. Also known important terms required to supply a product. And last one is got effective information about SCM for future reference. Next one is application of project. To analyze supply chain of various product and to justify how supply chain is profitable for business. These are the application of our project. Last one is area of future improvement. After successfully completion of this project, we will able to make our study the supply chain of any kind of product. Last one is the references. These are the references of this project. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.